Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. So I am starting a brand new series from today which is Pack with Me. इसमें हम different terrains के लिए packing वाले videos बनाएंगे and I'll be sharing with you some essential stuff that you need to carry to that places. So right now I'm going on a mountain trip and I am packing for that. The vlog is already out on my channel. I'll be sharing everything, every essential stuff that I am going to carry with me on the trip. So let's go into the video. Let's pack. Okay, so first of all, let's start with our toiletry pouch. So this is all that I am packing for my toiletry pouch. First of all, we are packing some alcohol wipes, then some earbuds and some body lotion. सबसे पहले हम रख रहे हैं body wash. This one, ये आपको बहुत सारे hotels वगैरह में मिल जाएगा. ऐसे छोटे-छोटे pouches होते हैं तो you can carry them along with you. तो सबसे पहले हम बॉडी वॉश रख रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद एक छोटा सा सोप. वैसे वी डोंट यूज इट बट फिर भी जस्ट फॉर द सेफ्टी पर्पस. एंड वी हैव सम शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर के पाउचेस आर ऑलवेज ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. और हम ले रहे हैं साथ में एक फेस वॉश, सीरम, देन डिओड्रेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड अ क्रीम. ये मैंने छोटे वाला पैक ले लिया है निविया की क्रीम का, सो दैट इसमें मतलब कैरी करने के लिए भी रहता है. एंड अ स्मॉल टूथपेस्ट एंड माई ब्रश. ये कैप जो होता है ना, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक कई बार हाइजीनिक नहीं होती जगह है तो हम इस कैप को लगा के रख सकते हैं. सो इट मेंटेन्स द हाइजीन. एंड ट्राई टू कैरी वन small packet of detergent with you always when you are going anywhere, क्योंकि ये मतलब लाइक तुम्हें कुछ भी वॉश करना हो तो it's very good for that. Keeps very handy. And these are some alcohol wipes just for the hygiene purposes and after the COVID era. Then I am having this trial pack from Nykaa and this is the onion and fenugreek shampoo. तो ये मैं ये रख रही हूँ शैम्पू के लिए. बाकी हम ऐसे जैसे होटल्स वगैरह में मिलता है तो ये वाले शैम्पू भी रख सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई एम कैरिंग. एंड वन ईयरबड्स भी रख लेते हैं. दिस ये शैम्पू के पाउच. And also you can get hands on these small bottles and you can actually refill them with any of the products you want to take with you and you can keep them along with you. I don't need it because मेरे पास ये travel pouches already हैं तो इसलिए I'm not carrying it.
And this is it for my toiletry pouch. It's ready.
Next up is my vanity kit which I love every time. इसके अंदर I am taking only the things that I require. One scrunchie, of course. इसके साथ का ये छोटा सा मिरर है, just to get ready. मैं इसी के अंदर रखती हूँ. And one lip balm, my white food. I love this fragrance. And very important, sunscreen. दिख ही रहा होगा ये बॉटल में पूरी खत्म हो चुकी है. But still I'm gonna use it क्योंकि थोड़ा सा है अभी इसमें product. I'm only going for 2 days so it's fine. And one kajal, face mist whenever you feel sweaty or you feel like your skin is pale and something, so you can definitely use this. And hair band, of course, for anything like whenever you are applying sunscreen or something तो तुम्हारे बालों पे ना लग जाए. And my most important product, this is a face eraser. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही ज़रूरी होता है। This is my mini jewelry pouch, and I'm taking some of my favorite jewelry just to get ready sometimes. This is golden hoops, and this is my favorite pendant, and a clip, of course. Nothing much, just keeping it simple. So now I'm telling you some other stuff which is very important but doesn't fit into any of these categories. First of all, always carry a dryer with you. This is like a small sized dryer, and it's not only for your hairs but it's also for like जब पहाड़ में जाते हैं तो कभी-कभी हमारे पैर वैर ठंडे हो जाते हैं तो like this comes in handy. And always try to carry some stuff to munch on ताकि आप बाहर का junk कम खाओ while you're traveling, like some protein bar and a mix of dry fruits. Also don't forget to carry your mufflers, like this can be multi-purpose use. You can also use it for styling as well as if you're going to very high altitude, so this can be a very good thing to keep in your bag. Your shades for styling as well as for protecting your eyes. Then a power bank, which is a must, and also a small notebook, some pads so that just in case you get your periods. Then these are some travel sized mini bags which you can actually fold, and you can just store them and you can use them anywhere whenever you need them. And a mask, which is very necessary, and khus wala sanitizer. This is very needed. Also a small sized towel which you should always carry in your bag. Let's just keep them all in my bag. So everything else is done and we are only left with my clothes, the main thing. I'm going to show you what all clothes I'm carrying, and also I'm going to suggest some of the things. First of all, if you're planning a summer vacation in the mountains, so try carrying some of your summer tops like these, so that while during the day when there is sunshine and you can just be easy breezy and it's not that cold at that time. So if you are going to some low altitude mountains, so it's very necessary at that time. And also always remember to carry your denim jacket. It is a must have thing. Like you can dress it up, dress it down, you can do anything and everything with this, and it will also protect you from the cold. Also you can just throw it upon your summer tops and you are good to go. I'm also carrying this one. This is another denim jacket in a different color, so yeah. And I am also carrying this dress. This is a one-piece dress, like long sweater dress. I usually carry such stuff because I don't like wearing bottoms so much, so that is why I would love to carry this. And then a hoodie is a must. Like रात को कभी भी जब भी ठंड हो जाए ज़्यादा, so you should definitely have a hoodie in your bag. Then I'm also carrying this पतला सा shrug, so that दिन के टाइम जब मुझे ज़्यादा ठंड ना लग रही हो तो उस टाइम मैं इसको ऐसे थोड़ा सा शेयर सा है ये पीछे से, and it's quite warm. Also don't forget your jeans and your pajamas. I think basically that's all that you need to pack for your mountain trips, and try to keep it minimalistic so that you don't have to carry much stuff with you.
One hour later.
So yeah, for this video, and if you like my content, keep pressing the like button. Also keep subscribing for more such videos. Bye.